right, C3 Corvette time. Here's a 1974 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. As you can see, bright yellow in color. And it is a 56 paint code car. So this would be originally a bright yellow car to begin with around 5,400 of them made in the bright yellow color. And it also has, as you can see, kind of back behind it there, and we'll get around to that in a minute here. It does have the removable auxiliary hardtop, which I think a little over 2,000 of them came with that. Interior is trim code 404, so black leather interior. This car is sitting the way that you see it. Is the way it would have came from General Motors back in 1974. This is also a numbers matching engine, believed to be original miles, and it is a CLR suffix code, which means it is an L82, so it's a higher horsepower 350. This would be the 250 horsepower L82. So pretty original looking car. Played around with it a little bit before doing the video here. Headlights work great, wipers work fine, AC blows cold, power windows work. Also has power steering, power brakes. I mean, this is a car, get in and drive it, turnkey and go. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the engine bay interior still pictures. Can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there where you can check out the still pictures on our website. And of course, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. We'll point out one other thing I noticed up here in the nose, and we see it quite often, a little stress crack right there in the nose of it. Other than that, this car's pretty free of rock chips, kind of that road rash, if you will, that you get from stuff kicking up in the nose of these. Pretty nice paint on it. Definitely a driver quality paint and in very nice condition. Riding on the rally wheels. And this is a 4-speed car also. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. Quite a few things changed 74 to 75 on the Corvettes, and it was kind of the end of the oil embargo that started out in 74, then ended. Be the last car that wouldn't have catalytic converters on it as far as the Corvettes go. 75 they started. Another thing about the 74s is if you take a look at this rear fascia right there, you see that split down the middle. So it was a 2-piece rear fascia. That was covering up the government mandated 5-mile-an-hour bumper underneath there, which was installed under that 2-piece fascia. The only year that you're going to see that 2-piece fascia in a car. That fascia also leans forward and up towards the front of the car compared to the 73s. It was kind of either straight up or back away in the earlier C3s. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Feel free to consult with your sales associate when you email or call. Of course, this also has the soft top. There is a white vinyl soft top underneath the cover back there that'll flip up. So you got soft top, hard top, or top down. Interior of this car also in nice shape. There's also a box. It looks like the owners of this had bought a black convertible top to go on there or be put on at a later date. It's just new sitting in the box as it appeared what it was. But this car, I believe, would have came with the original white top. Again, still pictures. You can check out all of these things. Check out the hardcover on there. Does not come with that stand. That's the one we use around here. Just FYI, it'll be put on the car when it's shipped. Next person that purchases it. And again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website so you can check it out. Phone number, once again, 507-386-1726. Alarm actuator right there where that keyhole is was moved from the rear car to the driver's side up in the front fender. Of course, the Stingray badging. This was getting towards the end of the convertible run for a while also with the Corvettes and C3s. All right, door panels showing a little bit of weathering right here where they fixed them, and it was the same on the other side, but those are original door panels, and again, believed to be original miles. Cannot confirm or deny after a car gets sold. It doesn't stay on the title. You have to go through previous ownership, and that is what's followed through with this car. And judging by the looks of it, the engine, interior, undersides, it wouldn't surprise me a bit. There's a 74 Corvette owner's manual in the kind of map pocket or glove box over there, if you will. This, of course, would have the telescoping wheel and tilt also. AM FM stereo in this one does work. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Nice starting, good running car. Sure, we're in neutral. Yeah, so the odometer reads 54,290. See, the tack works. All the gauges appeared to work except for the clock. There's your AM FM radio. And again, did have that working, as well as the wipers, headlamps. I'm going to even pop the headlamps on. That's the light that just came on, telling you the headlamps are on. Above that's the door jar light. So those are the lights that it's indicating. It's normal procedure. Slip around to the back. Good sounding car. Nice little rumble coming out of that L82. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood so we can check out the engine bay, show you how that looks. Alright, looking pretty stock underneath here. Again, 350 LE2 V8, higher horsepower 350 could get this year. I believe it was last year, or the 454 in the C3s. Power steering, power brakes, AC does blow cold. As you can see, headlights working fine. AC compressor appears it's been changed over from the R34 also. Fitting. Nice looking car. This would be a fun C3 you're looking for a drop top. So there you go, 1974 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. 4-speed car, higher horsepower 350. Nicely equipped. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video there's a link. Click on it, go check out the pictures. You can see that soft top, you can see the car with the hard top on. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you give us a call or email.